I can hear an AS. So we have an EST Genisus, and that sounds like an AS. Yeah, I guess they're testing the alarms. Let's go around back, see if I can hear anything else. Yeah, I guess we're just testing the Genesis. I don't know where the AS is. I guess it's inside. What's going on? Somebody... The EST Genisus are loud. Well, one siren enthusiast told me if fire alarms go off in a building unexpectedly, that's called an AFA, but this isn't an AFA, or automatic fire alarm. This is it's just testing. Somebody's testing the alarms. One lady told me. And these two alarms are loud. Let's go on the other side again. Yeah, I guess there's an AS in there. And there's EST Genisus, so there's one in there. I'm gonna open the door just to hear the alarms, if I can. That is loud. There's the exit sign. Ow! That is loud. I would not want to own an EST Genisus. Those things are... Yeah, there's an AS in there somewhere. Oh, they're... I guess there's an AS in there. You know what, I'm gonna get in here again. Ah, that's loud. Ah, that is loud. That's really loud. Whew. Wow, that is loud. I would, if you guys would ever consider buying any of these, wear ear protection, because these things are ear-piercingly loud. Here, let me go in the other part. Now listen, I'm allowed inside, so don't yell at me. And then there's another Genesis horn strobe in there. You can't see it, but... yeah. And there's a AS. Sounds like there's an AS in here somewhere. I just don't see it.